Hey, crafty family, and welcome to another video by She's So Crafty. It's shopping Sunday and we are headed to the Dollar Tree, and I found lots of items that were just $1. Yes, you heard that right, and there were many other new arrivals this week that I cannot wait to share with you. So let's dive in. Now, I'm going to start off with those $1 scores because I know we're all excited about that. Now, these $5 candles that are in the plus section, these were ringing up for $1. Now, this does include the 14-ounce farmhouse cedar in this tall jar here. Also, it includes the red amber scented candle. This one is also ringing up for $1. And the 14-ounce vanilla cashmere, that's also included in the $1 discount. These were flying off the shelves, especially at $1 and with Mother's Day today. So they also have these smaller ones. These are the 8-ounce. Now, only the 8-ounce farmhouse cedar and the 8-ounce red amber are on the $1 sale. These were normally $3. The vanilla is not included, but these two in the 8-ounce size are included in the $1 sale, so I'm hoping you're able to find these at your store. Now, also that's included is this mercury glass looking candle in the smoked incense scent. These are 12 ounces, and also the Malibu Lagoon in the blue kind of jar. That one is also $1. So I hope you find all these candles for $1 in your store. Speaking of $1, the plate collections are $1, and this does include this B collection. So I'm showing you the dinner plate here. Also, the charger that's included with that honeycomb edge, that's also $1 in this sale. Also in the collection, they do have these bowls. Now, these are ceramic pieces, really gorgeous. This B collection is returning from last year. It is so popular, but now they are discounting the entire collection for $1. Now, here is the mugs that say Be Happy on there with a couple of little bees on there, really cute, with the black handle. Now, they also have the tall drinking glasses. The tall drinking glasses in this collection are $1. So you can get everything you need for just $1. Now, here is the salad plate. It's got Be Kind on there. I think you can use these for a table setting or also use them for a DIY or home decor. Now, they do include the linens in the $1 sale, you guys. So this is the dish towel. It is 100% cotton and it is $1. Now, they did have two different kinds of the dish towels here, so you could choose from either one of them to go and coordinate with your set. Now, they also include the oven mitts here, and they did have the two different designs of the oven mitts, and these are also cotton material, and they match all of the other items in the collection. Now, here are the pot holders. They are sold in a 2-pack, and yes, these are $1 as well in the two different prints. They also had the dish dry mats, which I did not record, but those are also $1 as well. Now, the final thing in the B collection are the placemats. Now, whether you want to use them for their intended purpose or turn them into pillows or other crafts, these are also $1 in the collection. Really gorgeous pieces. So glad to see these are only $1. Now, you guys remember this collection from last year? So popular and beautiful. This is that Mediterranean mandala design, and this is the dinner plate. They also have this beautiful bowl. I think this is my favorite piece in the entire collection. The print is on the inside and out, and there's so many things that you could do with this collection as far as decor or a table setting. Here is the salad plate. Again, beautiful pieces, only $1 till June 18th, or while supplies last in this collection. Here's the mugs as well. It's got that same print on there, and it has the black handle on here. This is that classic ceramic style mug that Dollar Tree does carry. Of course, they included the linens in the $1 sale, and here are the oven mitts here. Now, you can get some with writing on them, or you can get some without the writing, like this solid black with that print on there. So it's all up to you, and you could choose whatever works for your coordinated design. Now, they do have these dish towels as well, of course, matching those oven mitts. So you can grab those as well, one with the print or one with some lettering. So you can mix and match and make it your own. For $1, what do you have to lose? Grab them while you can. Now here are the 2 packs of the pot holders as well, and you can get those to match all of those dish towels in the collection or use them for craft. I bought a couple to make some sunglass holders. And then that final piece is the placemat. I bought some of these too for a DIY. So yes, definitely grab them for a buck, stock up your stash and get ready for all of the crafting. Now they didn't have the glasses on the display, but I saw these in the kitchenwares aisle. This is a beautiful marble style tall drinking glass. It looks like that marble has the black streak on there. You can get the tall one or the small juice size. These are $1.50 at Dollar Tree, but yes, they coordinate well with that Mediterranean collection. Now, I'm excited about this new storage collection that just showed up at Dollar Tree, and I have to tell you about it. So yes, they have these, they call them fridge pieces. So this is called the fridge basket, 6.1 by 6.1 by 5.8, really nice pieces. Now they also have this one. This one is called a fridge storage bin, and this one has a little lip on it that's really nice. This is 9 by 6.1 by 3.2. Now you could use these in the fridge, but you could definitely use them all around the home for organization and storage. Now here's a nice one too. I really like this one. This is a fridge storage bin with the lid. I love that. And these are stackable. So this is 9 by 6.1 by 3.2. Really nice container. And I love the feel of these. They feel a little bit more quality than I've seen before, but I do love this one because it does come with those lids. Now here's another one. This one is a wide fridge bin to put all kinds of things in the fridge, or you can use them in the pantry, in a kid's room, in your vanity area, whatever you want. 12.5 by 8.1 by 3.5. So yes, definitely check these out. Now here's another one. I love this one. This is a fridge storage bin, and it has that little handle on the outside so you could just easily pull it in and out of the fridge or whatever space you're putting it in. 11 by 6.7 by 4. So it's a nice generous size. And you guys, all these pieces are $1.50. Here's another one. Now this is your classic storage bin here. This is a home storage basket. This one is 10 by 6.8 by 5. Nice general purpose type of storage bin. Perfect for home organization. Now, if you're looking for something a little thinner, they have these thin fridge bins. Now, this one is nice and long at 14.7 by 4.2 by 3.8. Great to store some sauces and dressings and spices and things like that. Now, I do love this one. This is that classic organizer we always see at Dollar Tree. This one's 8.8 by 6.1 by 2.7. We always see this one, but I just wanted to highlight it because it was featured with all the other items and still $1.50. Now, they have this one here, which is really neat. I love it. It has a little lip on it, and it is a long storage one. They call it a shatter-free fridge storage piece. 11.7 by 3.9 by 3.9. Really nice size for organization. Now, if you're looking for some meal prep containers with a little character on them, they had them at Dollar Tree. This is a 4-piece meal prep container. Comes with 2 containers and 2 lids. These are $1.50. So you can see they had them in fun characters like Stitch. I did find this one. This one is in a Minnie Mouse design. That is really nice with the red and the pink. And then they also have this one that was in a SpongeBob design. These are perfect for kiddos on the go. Just throw some snacks in there and you're ready to go. Now at another store, I did find another one. This one is the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. So I thought these were really neat. These are $1.50 a piece. So if you're looking for a 2-piece character collection for organization, check these out. Speaking of characters, I did see the return of a lot of popular items such as these Disney whisks. Now these come in multiple different styles. I saw gray, white, and kind of a mixed media kind of handle with all kinds of colors and characters. These Disney tools are only $1.25. So I scanned those. You can get those for $1.25. I also saw the return of these spatulas with the wooden handle. These were there at Dollar Tree before, but they are back. Also still $1.25 for these. You could use these as is or use them in DIY projects or gift baskets. I've seen them used like that a lot of times, but be on the lookout for the return of these items at your stores. But this one kind of blew me away. These little metal lunch box pieces just showed up at my store, fully stocked shelf. So I must have been one of the first people to see it. So it does have a metal lunch box with a handle, and it has a metal clasp. You can get them in a Garfield design. They did have this one in a Mickey Mouse design. You can see it has all the characters on there on the side. Really nice little item. Now you can use these for so many different things, storage, organization. You can even use them for your food items. It's all up to you. They did have this one too. This one is in the fun Stitch pattern, which is really fun. And then Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. These are $1.50. I can probably guarantee you these are not going to last once people find these on the shelves. But yes, they just arrived at Dollar Tree. Now, just a heads up, in home decor, there's some price changes. All the mirrors, the canvases, and the shelves are going to $1.50. The rest of the items at Dollar Tree in the home decor section are still remaining the same, except for the frames that I featured last week for the larger frames. But one thing that I did see that was surprising is some Shore Living items, and these must be some leftover items from last year, because we know they discontinued the Shore Living line, but these pieces here were still $1.25. Over in the garden section, check out these. This is a table solar light. You guys, this is so nice. I was really impressed to find this. I've never seen this at Dollar Tree before. Definitely a great item for DIYing as well. Another solar item that I found that I've never seen before are this little watering can. You can see it has cutouts on it. So when it lights up at night, it casts out that beautiful leaf design wherever you place it. $1.50 for these solar light items. I was really impressed with these finds. Now, while walking through the store, I saw these 4-ounce little cans of Play-Doh for 50 cents. So if you want something on the go, on the cheap, definitely check these out for 50 cents a piece. In the baby aisle, I found some Gerber brand items from their onesie line. You get 3 pairs of socks for just $1.50. I thought these were cutest. They were marked at retail for $3. They're only $1.50. Now they had them in 0 to 6 months and 6 to 12 months at my store. Now for us grown-ups, they had Kathy Ireland socks in a 2-pack. I saw these and I thought they just were the cutest little socks with little hearts, stripes, and different combination designs. Really nice. You get the 2-pack for just $1.50. So make sure you check these out. If you are still hunting for things for mom, these would be ideal, and they're so really cute. Now over in health and beauty, I found a new spa luxury item. This is a new body butter called Brazilian Orchid. I've never seen this before. It just arrived and it's still $1.25. I also did find 2 more of these items in the Hydrate body serum, and then on the other one I found the glowing body lotion. These are 2 that I had not seen before. I found one last week and I found the last 2 this week. So yes, this is by the Orchid brand. Make sure you check those out for $1.25. And look at these. The Spothecary has come out with more of these fancy body washes. You can get these in vanilla drizzle, or you can get them in pineapple glow. 2 new scents that I spotted at Dollar Tree, and they're still only just $1.25. Now I found 2 new hair items. Look at this super extra large cloud satin scrunchie. Look how big this is. And it's actually kind of stuffed with filler. So if you love a puffy kind of scrunchie, this extra large one may be up your alley. Now I did see this in black and pink, and they are $1.25. This is great if you want to put these in your hair to kind of protect it from breakage, because they are so really soft. So make sure you check those out in the hair care section. Now we've all seen these 8-count shower caps at the Dollar Tree, but look, they have them now in a 20-count package for just $1.25. Now I use these for bowl covers. It's cheaper than going to the kitchen section and paying $1.50 for their 17-pack. Grab these instead. It's such a more bigger bang for your buck. Now they did have another one of the collections here. This one is the green tea and fig, and it does come with this one, which is the body wash. They also have the small container here. This one is the exfoliating body scrub. That's another one in a 4-ounce container. And then they have the bath salts. This is a new scent that just arrived at Dollar Tree, and all of these are just still $1.25. Now, to keep your hair detangled for flat ironing, these items come in really handy, and they just restocked. This is the comb that you use for flat ironing, and it comes from multiple colors for $1.25. So now we're going to head over to the plus section. There's a few items I wanted to feature. First of all, new dish container ware. Now, this is a glass baking dish by Libby. It's a 2-piece set. So this is a casserole dish, and it comes with a lid. I see a lot of unlidded containers that they've offered. This one does come with a lid, and it holds about 2 liters of items. And this is only $5, you guys. Really, really great deal if you're looking for a casserole dish with a lid that's glass. Right next to it, I found these Home Essentials 2-pack bowls. These are glass bowls in 15.9 ounces. Last week, I featured larger versions of this, but I did not see these, so I wanted to feature these. And these are $4 for the 2-pack. These oval tubs always come in handy, and I'm so glad they're back. They are a jumbo size at 26 by 17.5 by 13. These are huge, and they're only $6. And just a heads up, if you're still hunting for that 6-cube storage rack for $1.50, my store keeps getting them in stock. So keep checking your stores if you missed out on the first round. Now, here's another item that I've never seen before. This is a freezer container. So this holds about 44 ounces. And you see on the design on here, it shows ice cream and vegetables. This container is $6. So there may be some benefits to using this type of container, but let me know in the comments if you've used one like this before. For the kiddos, if you're looking for an activity set, they have this case here. It comes with a 20-page activity pad, 10-foot activity roll. You get 2 sticker sheets and 4 markers. It also comes with an ink pad and 2 stampers. Now, they did also have this in a Gabby's dollhouse design as well. So make sure you check these out because these sets are just $5 for all of those items. And heads up to my crafters, if you've been looking for a bigger bag of polyfill, they now have it for $3. This is a 10.5 ounce bag of polyfill for all of your DIY projects. I love that now they have the bigger one, but not quite jumbo like the big box stores. This will be just enough for my project, and it's only $3. I hope you guys get these deals. Now, if you missed my last Dollar Tree video featuring even more awesome scores, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I hope you all enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today, and if you want to see the items I've created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you could check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now listen, I hope you find these videos helpful to make your shopping experience easier by knowing about the latest arrivals, the price changes, and store updates at Dollar Tree. If this helps you, let me know by leaving a thumbs up, and be sure to leave a comment letting me know your latest scores. Also, don't forget it's free to subscribe, and you'll be notified ahead of time when we go live or drop a new video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.